All right, welcome back to our house crash with our sorry. All right, so welcome back to our all right. Hey guys, welcome back to our house crash at our sister's house. We've got a lot of painting going on. We've already added height to the cabinets, but we've got one issue that we must address. So many of you may have these side panels, and we have one of these in our sister's kitchen, and it's an eyesore. It's something that we're gonna be passing every single day, and we think we have a fun solution to fix that. So we're gonna trim the side. Now, you can call a cabinet company and you can ask for a custom panel that has a design on the side. It's gonna cost you a lot of money, but Whitney and I are gonna do it for about 20 bucks in 20 minutes. Let's go. All right, for this project, we are going to be using craft boards. A lot of people ask, where do you get those? Typically at our hardware stores, they are on like the board aisle with the pine boards, oak boards, but they're typically on the bottom in like smaller straight stacks, and we're using poplar. Really inexpensive. I think they're less than $5 a piece. It paints super smooth. Yes, so what we're gonna do first is create a frame around this space right here, and we're going to do our vertical boards first. So we're gonna add a line of wood glue down the first panel, and we are going to be using our Ryobi pin nailer for this, and this is a great little gun because it's going to shoot these tiny little bitty nails in it that you'll never see. So when we make Lisa paint all of this, she won't have to cover those holes. And that is really holding it good. All right, so we're putting our second vertical board up, and we've got this toe kick piece right here in the front, this little front trim. We are going to ignore that right now and rip down a piece to fit this and make it, it's gonna have to be a measure and cut as you go. Your cabinet will probably be different. That's what we have to do. I think you kind of have to look at the cabinet you're working on and judge what you feel like will look best. Somebody give me a So we've made both vertical pieces the exact same. I'm gonna get this measurement right here, and I'm gonna go cut 2 more pieces at 16.5. I'll be right back. Awesome. We're just gonna sit here and wait on Ash. Talk about anything y'all wanna talk about. And talk about how I've had 2 coffees today, so I'm a little shaky. You could talk about how the Noblet girls are behind us being really quiet and sweet. Say hi, guys. Do y'all love your house crash you're getting? Yeah? What's your favorite part so far? Is it hard to decide? Yeah, I know, it's hard. Hattie Joe, do you have a favorite spot? Not yet. Can you wave? Can you wave at the camera, Hattie? It's a little wave. There you go. We got one out of her. All right, let's go try these on. Okay, the outer frame is done, and now we're going to try to mimic the design that we have up on the vent hood. So I'm gonna mark center right there, and then I'm going to hold this up. You know what I can do? Why don't you just give me I'll go make a little cut. Like that. Okay, just stand by. Whitney just took the 1x2 trim to take it outside and cut it in half so that I can hold it up against this and measure and cut, because it was running, it's too long and it was running into the countertop. So I'm waiting. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so now I'm gonna measure and cut to size. I'm gonna line that up, and then I'm gonna line this one up down here at the bottom. And I'm gonna take this out and cut it and dry fit it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this piece right here and figure out how we need to rip this down. So this is a 1x4, but it's gonna be, oh guys, I'm sorry, I won't be ripping it all. I'll just be cutting it down because that's gonna fit like a glove. I never get that lucky. Oh my gosh, I feel like I need to go buy a lottery ticket, or 2. I have a lot of kids, maybe I'll buy 6, 1 for each. I'm looking for a pencil right now, but I don't have one.
Your luck just ran out.
Oh man, good point. So I'm gonna go take this out to the saw, and Ashley's gonna come attach that, and we're gonna be moving. So I went and made my cuts, and I'm going to check to make sure that it fits, and it's a perfect fit, actually. A little wood glue, some pin nails. This already looks better just with like raw wood. I know. She's gonna go make that last cut, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this bottom piece of trim on. All this is going to do is get everything to the same level. What you might want to do before painting yours that we're going to have them do is add a little bit of caulk in between all the seams to make it nice and seamless. Nice, one more piece to go. Yeah, she used like so much wood glue. I think I might even get a white piece for that. Okay, let me see. There we go. Okay, good fit. All right, last piece is on, and this is looking so amazing already. It's amazing what just a little bit of trim can do for a space like this. And how much money did we spend? $20, guys, $20, about 20 minutes, and wait till you see what it looks like with paint on it. Speaking of paint, we got more to do. Still leaking. I did way too much wood glue. Hold on. I'm gonna do a little bit less wood glue on this one. Step 1, don't use too much wood glue. Step 1, get your sister to clean the wood glue.
Oh wow. Yes, you start.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm just following. I don't even know what we're saying.
Are you ready?
I'm gonna figure it out.
That was exactly the right size, by the way. That's amazing. That never happens. I'm gonna light you up. Hey guys.